1 minute. If I miss this train, the next one isn't for another like 20 minutes, and there's no point in me going to this event. Anyway, I am off to an event in Shoreditch at the Hoxton Hotel, run by a social platform called Get to Know, and they host a ton of different events on different topics like mentoring, fitness and productivity, and this time it's concentrating around money, and there are 3 different speakers, and I list them all down below. And Get to Know is this is my first event with them, and I follow the girls obviously on Instagram. It's run by 3 girls, 3 women: Hayley, Adrian, who's also on YouTube, and AJ, who is, I believe, was or is still a Channel 4 music presenter. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to hanging out with a bunch of cool girls and spending a very, very insightful evening. I'm gonna vlog it, so keep an eye out, and I'm gonna go now because it's getting awkward. I don't even have my headphones, so no music. I have to read or try and fix my lens because my 17mm I need to try and fix my lens because it's making a lot of noise. Oh my god, we're stopping at the next station and we gotta go. Bye.
The next station is Leatherhead. Please mind the step down from the train to the platform.
Why?
Dalston Junction has been cancelled due to the train fault at Dalston Junction.
This is so weird, so I'm just gonna find the corner and try and vlog. I'm at Clapham Junction station, and the train I need is to Dalston Junction. Get off at Shoreditch, but the 6:12 service to Dalston is cancelled, and the next one is at 6:30, which sucks because then I have another 10-minute walk from Shoreditch High Street to the Hoxton Hotel, which is where the event is, which kind of sucks, and I'm kind of annoyed because I left earlier than well, anyway, shit happens, isn't it? But anyway, the people coming, I gotta go. This is weird. Bye. After about 1 million years, I'm here.
Welcome. It's so great to see so many new faces here, as well as some of our regulars. Hello and welcome. My name's AJ, one of the co-founders of Get to Know. Hayley is also here, one of the other co-founders of Get to Know. We are a man down, there's 3 of us. We're not splitting up, so like the Get Man thing. She's ill and she wishes that she could be here. For services for free when they can't afford it.
Yeah. So who has done work for free before? Everybody. Yeah. Awesome. I think that there are a couple of instances where it's really great to do work for free, and a couple of instances where it isn't. And I'll give you a couple of examples. So AJ, as you sort of said, like, getting ahead in an industry sometimes requires you to show up and do work for free. It shows that you're proactive, it shows that you're serious, it puts you ahead of everybody else who's sitting at home not contributing. So that's really positive. But at some point you decided that you were at a level where you've learned enough to sort of say, actually, I need to charge a fee now. Like, this is not a charity. Like, you know, exchange of products or gifts is not going to pay your bills, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another vlog. It's a Saturday and we're off out. we are going for a pub lunch with a friend of ours, and actually a few friends of ours. And I met Jill on Instagram when she was pretty heavily pregnant, and then I met her on Instagram. So we started our Instagram relationship via DMs and stuff like that while she was pregnant, and then I physically met up with her after she had a baby and I was pregnant. It's been such a refreshing relationship, and she's just the loveliest person. So yeah, we're going to the local pub for some lunch with the husbands and our friends, so it should be nice. And they've got like an outside area where we're gonna sit, because she has a little pooch and my 4-year-old pooch needs to run too. So Juno will get to like run around and exercise without getting too much cabin fever for him. So that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get that little lady ready. She's already ready, but I need to get her bags packed, put her in the car seat, because we're just gonna walk to the pub. I am freaking starving. I just had a lush bowl of porridge, but porridge never fills me up, does it? Does it? No, it doesn't. Porridge never fills me up, and I'm getting really ratty and really freaking hungry, and I need a drink, and I need a drink. I need to smoke. No, I'm joking. I haven't smoked in a while, so that's nice. Now I'm rambling. I gotta go. Bye.
To confiscate my phone off me if I do. I should hide my SIM card.
Yeah, but that's because you're inside.
Where's this little phone?
Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
She's about. She's about. She does live in the house. Yeah, she basically lives in the house.
Wave. Oh yeah. And then what else? I know. Tell me about it. I can't believe it either. I know. I can't believe it either.
I believe it.
I think Mum and Sushi didn't have their breakfast yet. Hey, the place how it is. Let me bring that to the house.
Happy Sunday. I'm riding in the back seat with she's fast asleep. Thank God. We're off to the tip. We've started the packing process, well, the clearing up process before we start the packing process. So we're off to the tip to dispose of recycling bits and yeah, being responsible.
Why did you get some red?
Come on, it's for the duckies.
But I'm so hungry.
This is old bread, darling. we have just stopped in Tolworth for some food. I need to pick up some groceries as well from an Indian cash and carry. I need fresh turmeric and some ginger. So we're here, and then I pick her up and I smell something. And what did you do? What did you do? Did you poo? Did you poo? She did a... Did you explode in your nappy? Yeah? Yeah, so she pooed, and yeah, I've just had to change like her entire inside suit and everything. Luckily, it didn't get on her dress, which is a really pretty dress, and she's got like a couple months more, not a couple months more, a couple more weeks of wear out of them before she actually grows out of it. Yeah, and the car is making all kinds of noises. So I better go and wait for the boys to come back with some food, and John can look after the kids while I just go and grab the grocery, the ingredients really fast. Home sweet home. I'm gonna get the kids inside and start cooking, put more things away, box them up, and chill.